Today we're making two refreshing Korean dishes for hot weather. The first one is a Korean melon salad. It's not a traditional recipe, but it used to trend online in Korea. The second dish is KongGuksu, cold noodles in a creamy soy-based broth. This version is a simple homemade style made with tofu, soy milk, and nuts. And for today's epilogue, we also filmed the Papa John's pizza we ordered in Korea. Have you ever heard of Korean melon? While editing this video, I looked it up and found that similar fruits exist in other Asian countries. But the type we're seeing in this video seems to be unique to Korea. Wikipedia described the flavor as something between a melon and a cucumber. And honestly, I think that's a pretty accurate description. They're not very expensive either, so if you ever visit Korea, you should definitely try one. Adding pink pepper gives it a more exotic flavor, and it looks pretty too. These days, I think there are more and more dishes that don't really belong to just one country anymore. And honestly, I kind of like that. Something about combining delicious ideas from different parts of the world just makes me happy. Many restaurants in Korea only sell KongGuksu during summer. It's kind of an adult taste type of food. And in Korea, people are usually divided into the salt side and the sugar side. Personally, I'm on the salt side. Korea has been incredibly hot lately, so honestly, I really want a cold bowl of this right now. As I've mentioned before, my sister cooks at her own home and we don't live together. So while I know what it tastes like, I usually can't eat the food in the videos. Sometimes I end up making it myself after editing the video. Curious what it tastes like? My sister is going to describe it for you.
굉장히 진하고 고소해요. 이렇게 먹으니까 그냥 참외만 먹는 것보다 샐러드 같고 굉장히 식사랑 잘 어울려요. 너무 맛있다.
Now let us show you the Papa John's pizza we mentioned earlier. My sister ordered it because my niece is a fan of the K-pop group IVE, and they were doing a special photo card event. And this isn't me saying this, my sister asked me to say it for her. I love pizza so much. I want to try pizzas from all around the world. I'm not completely sure either, but in Korea, food delivery brands sometimes do promotional events with popular celebrities like this. By the way, the pizza was a chicken barbecue pizza. I guess Papa John's menus are probably different in each country too. I don't think I've actually tried this flavor myself yet. Honestly, my favorite pizzas are still plain cheese or pepperoni pizza. Thank you for spending time with us today. Likes and subscriptions really help us a lot. See you again next time. Bye.